Good morning. I'm Dr. Uncut, a legal practitioner and an editor. In this video, I want to clarify the difference that exists between proofreading and editing. Now, when a work comes to me, I'm under the impression that I am expected to proofread and edit it. But some instance exists where the author comes with certain instructions saying, "Oh, just proofread the work." And in that particular instance, when you proofread, you hear things like, "Oh, but I thought you were going to look at the structure of the work," and that is not exactly what proofreading entails. So proofreading is simply a surface correction of the work. In that instance, you just want me to look at the grammar. You want me to make corrections as it refers to grammar, punctuations, the full stop, the comma, when to put quotation marks, when the work should have been indented instead of quotation marks. Now, but with respect to editing, when the instruction says, "Oh, proofread and edit my work," you are giving me full creative ability, not only to do surface corrections as pertaining to proofreading, but also to look at the structure of the work. Now, by the structure of the work, I'm looking at whether the work is structured properly, whether the work is there's a nexus, like a connection. For instance, with respect to books, supervised works that are being edited into books, you're asking me to look at the connections, whether there's a nexus between the chapters, whether the gap in knowledge which you proposed to be filling is glaring for all the audience or the readers to see. So you can see that there's actually a difference between both of them. So the ideal thing would be to give the creative ability to the editor to do what is needed with respect to that particular work. Thank you.